Alright, y'all, what's going on? What's going on? Alright, y'all, we had some dang on technical difficulties. Today we eating chicken and waffles, okay? Dear Heather Father, thank you for this food that we're about to receive for nourishment of our bodies and health. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Even if you aren't new, if you haven't subscribed, definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you get notifications next time I post a video. Leave some comments down below because we truly like to hear from you. Definitely let us know things you'd like to see us try, things you'd like to see us cook, and interact with us because we
do like to hear from you.
I said that already. No, you're fine. I said it already, but I forgot that I said it already. All right. So if you are new here, that is the Bubby. He likes to talk to us while we're making videos. So we got chicken and waffles. I actually got this waffle recipe from from Cooking with Kiana, who is Casey Connection's daughter. Ironically, I decided I was gonna cook some chicken today or whatever, and I decided to and then I was just happened to be on YouTube, like I always am actually, and saw that she made these waffles. I was like, I was like, Gabby, you want chicken and waffles? And he was like, yeah. So here we are, chicken and waffles. And I'm keep looking down at my watch because I'm recording on my phone today. Technical difficulties. I freaking left my camera on yesterday, so my battery that was in the camera died, and then I clearly didn't put the battery that I took out of the camera back on the charger because that one died. So I was like, okay, well, I guess I have to go back to my roots and record on my phone. You know, I may or may not have burnt these couple pieces of chicken a little bit, but that's okay because we still gonna eat them. So
yeah.
All right, let me get started. I also have some mac and cheese and some dressing back here because I wanted some mac and cheese and dressing. I just fed the Bubby, so I guess he's gone. I guess the Bubby gonna be on what he gonna be on today, and that's just what it is. All right, so I'm gonna throw in my little tiger sauce here. Just the last little bit of this bottle. I got another bottle. What can I hand you? They both the same. I told my dad I was making chicken thighs. He said, ooh. He don't like chicken thighs. He said he had to eat a lot of them growing up as a kid, so he's a breast man.
I'm a flat kind of guy.
But you don't discriminate on the you just like chicken. As of now, anyway.
My head is good.
Just gotta make sure that I'm still recording because
You're still recording.
You know what I'm saying? I know how to turn my phone around so I can't see the screen. But I'm recording on 4K. What?
Why do you do that?
Well, it's better when you record with the back camera, and I realized that I can record in 4K, so. These waffles are good. So they're butter pecan waffles. Pecan. Butter pecan is my favorite ice cream.
Pecan?
Butter pecan. Butter pecan. Make sure you're eating over that plate so you don't get syrup all over the place. What's that?
He just wants some attentions. Hear what's on there?
Huh?
Hear what's on there? Attentions.
You just woke up from a nap. What's wrong? He's the fakest baby on the planet, I tell y'all.
Clickety clock, oh clickety clock, tickety tock, oh tickety tock. Clickety clockety, tickety tockety, clickety clockety, clickety tickety tock. I can eat this one.
Mm-hmm.
You're positive?
Positive.
The positive is ever.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, y'all, them pieces of chicken was super huge, and I mean, I left them in there for. I just clearly I need to go back to the drawing board on cooking chicken because clearly, okay, I have really lost my touch.
You have?
I put those in deep fryer, but we ain't leave them in there long enough because they
Bobby,
some more.
I
Sorry
don't
about that.
want to hear all the riot.
I'm trying to get sick now.
Me neither.
I said,
None of us trying to get sick.
Yeah, we don't trying to get sick. What's up, the baby?
Yeah. I guess honey isn't that good to me. I still like the which one is it? That I put the other one of this. Is it over there? Oh, it's over there.
What's wrong, man? Huh? What's wrong, dude?
Soybean sauce.
Not her sauce, but
I mean,
we learned about it from watching her videos.
It's really good. I mean, you've got to try the sauce system out.
Ow! What's wrong, baby? Huh? What's wrong?
She just wants some attention. That's all. She's saying, take your eyes off the video and worry about me. Please don't do it. Ah!
Stop, Gavin. What you doing?
See, I don't know what. Is he faking it? He has to be faking it. First slot. Second slot. Third slot.
Oh, then I ain't got my microphone in. Lord, this video just gonna be all over the place, y'all.
I thought you could hear without your microphone today. Damn. That's sad.
That's okay. Hopefully, I can turn the volume up.
Man, jeez, like Louise, what did mommy and me ever do to you? What is all that crying about?
Right.
Bobby. Yeah, your brother's up here. Say bruh. I feel like, y'all, the stuff that I don't like is gonna come back to me and say, "You like it now." Hey, mommy, look.
You better eat over that plate.
Oh, don't worry, I will. Ah, really good. Ooh. I thought everybody could hear without a microphone.
I mean, you can hear it, but it's just better. The sound is better with my microphone. But okay.
I'll be like, "Give me a piece of that."
Right, I imagine him looking at me like I've seen a video. I've seen a couple videos, you know, where parents like had their babies in their hand and they'd be eating, and the baby just. This was the last video I saw. The baby just looking at the mama like, "So you gonna eat that in front of me? You ain't gonna give me none?" And then I seen another one where like she just kind of kept like she would kind of put it over in the baby face, but then beeline to her mouth. That's pretty funny.
Maybe you should feed Grayson a little bit of mac and cheese.
Got it. There's a lot going on right now. Okay, here's stuff in the background. I had to put that chicken back in the air fryer. I mean, and deep fry it to cook a little bit more. I'm really sorry about that.
I'm done. I may come back to it, but I don't know.
Oh, dang, I forgot to talk about this in the beginning, but this is, I said that this video today would be the challenge video, but
The challenge video.
with the same girl I did the challenge with before we made the buffalo chicken dip. Big rack, small bites.
Oh yeah, but ain't this already a challenge? Like we're
No.
eating it?
No. So we decided to put it off, hold off until next week or whatever. So it'll be next Friday. I'm interested to see how good this video looks in 4K because I have been saying that I feel like if I knew that, because me and my sister-in-law, well, my brother told us that we could record in 4K, because my brother, he records his videos in 4K. And I was like, ain't that about nothing? We all trying to get these cameras to like have better quality, when all actuality, our phone camera, that's fine. I mean, I've been saying that, like, that's why I have went back and forth about getting a camera.
Now it's this camera on.
What?
The camera.
It
That camera, what's it on?
can record in 4K as well, but
6K, 8K.
no. No. It doesn't go up that far. It's just 4K is just the quality of your video.
You fool? No? Tickety-tock, oh tickety-tock, tickety-tock away. Tickety-tockety, clackety-clackety, tickety-tickety-tock.
These waffles do taste like butter pecan though. They do.
Butter
They do.
pecan, butter pecan, butter pecan, butter mama. Tickety-tockety, clickety-clackety, tickety-tock. Whoa. Hey, have you heard it's a word?
Got 'em.
Mommy, would you rather eat Jolly Ranchers, or would you rather eat or would you rather swallow honey?
Jolly Rancher the candy.
No. Jolly Rancher the cereal.
Swallow honey.
Barf.
Yeah.
You have to say one. I mean, a barf,
Those
you
aren't
can
good
spit it out. I
Mm-mm.
promise you, barf, you can spit it out.
No. Ew.
No, barf isn't
Nah,
that.
I don't
No,
want to
barf.
talk about barf while I'm trying to eat. Even though I don't really have a weak stomach for real. While I'm eating.
Would you rather have the lovely sauce, or would you rather eat maple Cheerios?
Sauce.
Would you rather eat would you rather eat all the chicken you can eat, or would you rather eat all of Taco Bell's tacos? Did I get you?
Yeah, maybe tacos. All right, y'all. We gonna piece up out of here, cause that's it. And that's all. I'm so disappointed about my chicken, man.
I know. I'm disappointed too. Okay, I'm kidding. It was actually good, but it was probably disappointing to you. But it was really good to me.
I'm not talking about the chicken that we ate. I'm talking about the ones that wasn't.
Alright, y'all, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe. And even if you aren't new and you haven't subscribed, go ahead ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the bell so you get notifications on next time when we post a video, and interact with us because we do like to hear from you. And we will see you in the next video. Peace out.
Excuse me.
Robot.
Well, about to say, I don't know how long this video gonna be because it was all over the place. I was like multitasking. And yeah, so yeah, guys.